Hi, my name is Catherine Monasterian and I am applying for a position of a virtual assistant. I have more than 20 years of experience in customer service and operations management, where I learned how to handle clients professionally, organize tasks, and solve problems under pressure. Recently, I completed the Spark Virtual Assistant Training, a program which is funded by our local government, where I learned how to use different online tools such as Trello, Canva, Descript, and how to manage social media and emails effectively. Through this training, I discovered my passion for working remotely and helping businesses stay organized and productive. I enjoy creating designs using Canva, planning projects in Trello, and keeping communication smooth through email management. I'm a hardworking and reliable person who values time, quality work, and continuous learning. And I'm excited to bring my experience and skill to your team and help your business grow.